Okay, this is TripleChip's Unbox the Box, and what we got today here is, can't remember where I bought this, but I just checked online. You can buy this at overstock.com, and it goes for $99.65. You can probably get it cheaper at other places, such as Walmart, Canadian Tire. And this model is the KHB 1231ER. It is the KitchenAid hand blender. It's a 2-speed. You can blend, puree, and crush with it. And this one is the Empire Red. We'll just show you what's in the box here. It looks like the lid for the, got a nice little KitchenAid thing on right into the lid. Okay, and this isn't the cordless model, this is the corded one. Let's get out both pieces here. Nothing else in the box there. So what we got inside of here is some cardboard. So the lid I showed you at first, it's got a nice built-in little measuring cup that goes up to, got up to 3 cups here. So if you made something like a milkshake, or say you made a smoothie or something, you can just restore that in the fridge. You get a beat-up manual in here that shows you everything you need to know about it. Warranty and everything will be in there. Okay, and then we go, let's take this cord off of here. Looks like your actual cord is probably a good, say 1, 2, 3. It's about 4 to 5 feet long, your cord, like it's very long. And then you just gotta take a scissors and chop off this piece. Which I'll do right now. A little tie wrap on the end there. And pull this out of the bag here. Right on top you have your thing to turn for your 2 different speeds. It's got a 1 and a 2 on here. And the button to power it up. And you're just going to take your bottom piece here. And it just simply pushes on. You just turn it and then it's attached. And there's your blade at the bottom.
Harry, stop it.
Hey! Just got my dog barking here. So when you put your stuff in there, you would just simply blend it up and down. I'll just show you what to power it up. Hey! Trying to film here. Okay, we'll just throw some power to this. Fairly quiet. You can just simply turn your top. That's on the higher speed. Just make sure you don't ever put your fingers in there. So that's about it for this one. And then it just stands like that if you want to sit on your counter or something. I was going to go out to cordless, but I just thought it might die. This way you always have constant power. So that's about it for this KitchenAid small appliance. You like watching these videos, just make sure you click on the bell icon, and then these videos will pop right up when I'm posting my next one. Until next time, you have a great day or night, and stay tuned for the next one. This has been TripleChip. Vlog is over.